How to convert to MP3 on Mac? In this video, I'm going to use the free program XLD to convert music of any format to MP3. And if this video helps you, please consider giving a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. First, you're going to need to download XLD and drop it in your applications folder. When you download it and try to open it, if you get this error, I will link a video below on how to fix it. I have a folder of FLAC files I'm going to convert to MP3. To make sure that XLD is converting to MP3, we're going to click XLD in the corner of your Mac, followed by Settings. In this window, click on the drop-down underneath the output format and make sure it's set to lame MP3. You can also convert to other formats here, such as Apple Lossless, if you would like higher quality music. Once you've selected your format, close that window, go to File, and Open. Select the folder full of the files you wish to convert, and hit Open. The files within that folder will be converted to MP3, and they're good to use however you would like. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel.